guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, a very exciting video because I have finally hopped aboard the Juvias Place train. So I have picked up a few little things here. The first one, which I will be using to create this look, is the new Warrior 2. It is a really awesome palette. Open her up. Love the artwork on it. I wish there was a mirror though. I really do. Those are the shades. And I mean, these pans are big. I will probably never go through all of that shadow. So excited. I'm not even going to show you the other things quite yet because this is for another video. Today we are only looking at the Warrior 2. So if you want to see how I created this look using this, then watch the rest of this. I'm going to start by taking Canna right here, and I'm going to put it all over my lid. Just to kind of set everything, and it's also going to be my transition shade. I really wish they included a mirror in their palettes so that I didn't have to grab a different mirror. I'm just doing the same to the other eye. Okay. Now on a MAC 217, I'm going to go in with Dora right here. And I'm going to put that into my crease. So far the colors are blending really nicely. There's some kick up, but it usually means that the colors are pigmented, which they are. You don't need to really dig your brush in to pick up a lot of product. I'm just making sure both sides are even. I'm not sure what I want to do. There's no shimmers or anything. It's an all matte palette. I think I'm gonna go in with Jamada right here, and this is a Morphe E17. And I'm going to start deepening this crease in the outer corner. I'm not bringing this color as high up in the crease as the other color. And I'm back in with a Jamada for the other eye. Just gonna deepen those up a bit with the same color, Jamada. All right, now I'm going to go in, I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm going to go in with Walzana right here. It's this dark gray, almost black shade. And I'm going to press that into the outer corner. And then I'm going to drag the excess in through the crease. And just blending, softening those lines. Okay. On a MAC 239, I'm going to take some of this black shade called Shawata. Shawata? I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. And I just want to press a little bit into the very outer V there. Not much, just a little bit. And then back in with my MAC 217, I'm going to grab a bit more of this pinkish corally shade called Dora. And I'm just going to start blending that a little bit. Now, where's the other brush? I think I'm gonna mix, it's upside down. I'm going to mix Zama and Jamada. And I think I'm going to blend that in here ever so slightly. Just to soften the transition. Now for my lid, I'm so used to putting shimmery shades on my lid, but I'm going to take Canna, the shade we started with, and I'm just putting it on a Anastasia 18 brush. It's a concealer brush. And I'm just going to lay that down in here. And do the same to this eye. My different brush. I want. I'm just gonna take whatever this brush is by the Vintage, and I'm gonna go back in with that same transition kind of shade, do what we were doing just on this brush. And then I'm going to go in with this white shade called Zaz on a little detail brush. And that's going to be my inner corner highlight. And my brow bone highlight. Just throwing her in there. with my Tom Ford number 13 with nothing else on it, I'm just going to blend out these lines a little. And for my lower lash line, I'm going to take some of Dora. This is just a Luxie, what does it say what it is? It's a Luxie 121 mini tapered brush. I'm just gonna smoke that color right under the eye. And once I have that color down, I'm going to take an even smaller brush and I'm going to go in with Jamada. I'm gonna smudge that up. All right. I have to get my eyes done. And we are back. So for my liner, I used the Kat Von D in Mad Max Brown. On the bottom, I used Mr. Right Now by The Balm. For my brows, I used the MAC brow pencil as well as the Anastasia brow gel. On my lashes, I did a coat of the Fusion Beauty Lash Primer and followed by the Lancome Monsieur Big. And on my lips, I'm wearing MAC lip liner in Bittersweet along with the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade, I'm not sure. Since there's no glitter on my eyes, which I'm not really used to a full matte eye, I wanted a more bold lip, so I went deep and red. Anyways, excuse me, I will show you the look. I think the palette is really nice. For an all matte palette, the colors blended beautifully. They're all in all pretty amazing. Anyways, I will do some swatches for you. I'll start out. These are the first 4 colors. They are extremely pigmented and very easy to blend. And these are the next 5. There's 4 and 5. And one swipe and look how those go on. Even the white you can see. I mean, look at that black. It covers up my tattoo. So that's pretty awesome. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I think it's a good palette if you like matte shadows or if you need a good all matte companion palette. This is the perfect palette for that. It's got transition shades, highlight shades, deep shades. So I'm happy to have it in my life. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you would like to be notified of upcoming videos, then hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you have a great day.